Good afternoon. I got now my drive shaft out, the one with the broken boot, and that thing is completely worn out. You can see this, that the shaft is no longer centered in the bearing itself, and I cannot pull it off. So this has wiggled and waggled around itself over the last 332,000 miles. So looking at this, there's no question about it that this is the original drive shaft which was on there. So that has to be replaced. You have to remove this out, that usually slides up, and you remove this retainer clip here which is around here, and then the thing usually comes just off and you can access and replace both boots. It's a 15-minute, 20-minute job. But this here, with this here, cannot pull it off. It's not budging. This is basically frozen on there, and it's gonna last for a while. It's not running, so the shaft actually is vibrating, which is really not great for the rear differential. So that means we're gonna get a new pair of drive shafts. Unfortunately, no more positive news than that. Thank you. Have a great evening.